Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Shelly Cashman Excel 2016 Module 1 SAM Project 1B. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. File Setup. Open the file, save it with 2 in the name, and verify your name in cell B6 of the documentation sheet. Step 2. Worksheet Setup. Auto-fit column A. Enter Kelly's part-time tutoring job in A1, center it across A1, D1, and apply the heading 1 style. Enter revenue in A2 and merge A2, D2. Step 3. Data and calculations. Enter values, 1800, 1950, 2020, in B6, D6. Use the fill handle to copy the formula in B7 to C7, D7. In E14, calculate total expenses using the sum function. Calculate profit in B18, B7, B14, and copy to C18, D18. Step 4. Formatting. Format B11, D14 with the accounting number format. Bold A16, D16, set font to Calibri, size 13, and change font color to green, accent 6, darker 25%. Step 5. Charts. Update the clustered column chart to style 2 and move it to a new sheet, Q1, Q3 revenue. Create a 2D pie chart for non-adjacent ranges, name it Q3 expenses, and set to style 3. Step 6. Final touches. Change the Job Analysis tab color to blue. Save and submit the file as instructed. If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website hhelpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.